As a CPA in Sacramento, your website is often the first interaction potential clients have with your firm. And let's be honest, first impressions matter. But in a competitive market, how do you ensure your website stands out and actually brings in clients? A basic website isn't enough anymore. A custom website isn't just about looking professional. It's about creating trust, providing value, and positioning yourself as the go-to expert in your industry. It reflects your credibility and reassures clients that they're in good hands. A well-designed website does more than inform. It converts. With a custom CPA website, you can showcase your expertise, display client success stories, and make it incredibly easy for visitors to book a consultation. The easier the process, the more leads you'll generate. Want to be found when potential clients search for tax or accounting services? A custom-built website, optimized for SEO, helps your firm rank higher in search results. That means more visibility, more traffic, and ultimately, more clients. Your competitors are investing in their online presence. A generic site won't cut it anymore. With the strategic design and optimized content, your website can work as a 24/7 client-generating machine. If you're ready to upgrade your online presence, MarketinGear is here to help. We build CPA websites that not only look great, but also bring in real business. Contact us today and let's make your website your firm's strongest asset.